The latest release of Illustrator CC brings new features to help speed up and smooth out your workflow. For starters, you can now edit repeating objects across artboards all at the same time with Global Edit. Select the object you want to change and see that change reflected across your project. Complex color blending just got easier too, thanks to freeform gradients that let you create more photorealistic and dynamic graphics. It's all powered by Adobe Sensei to make things smooth, fast, and beautiful. Our new custom toolbar will improve your workflow. You can add, move, and group the tools you use most often to your toolbar and remove the ones you don't need. And when it comes time to finding new fonts, you don't have to leave Illustrator. Now you can preview and activate the thousands of Adobe fonts right within the app. Hover over each font to see how it looks in your design. Check out all these features and more in our new release of Adobe Illustrator CC.